So I'm in a 2012 Honda Crosstour, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So just from the driver's side here, you look down. You should see a little release lever like this with a little tension. Now it pops in was a release. You should see a cable here with a little tension. If that's not there, you've got an issue there that needs fixed. But now that the safety's released, most models of vehicle have like a lever towards the middle for release. So this one, we're going to push and lift. That's it. So there's the hook hooked onto, and that's the lever. Make sure it's all cleared of debris. Everything's tight but loose, so you might need some WD-40 to loosen it up, clean out anything. If you have an issue still, you might need to make sure your hood's centered, so if anything's bent or out of place, that might cause issues too. But I hope this was helpful. I hope you have a great day.